Hey guys, we're starting the video off in a very strange way. That's Nick. We are in a hotel room in New Jersey. We are here for Adam LZ's drift party, and me and Nick took the nice 5-hour drive, which was kind of painful. We just got here, so he's still all in his clothes, and we're just chilling. But yeah, we got here. Drift events tomorrow. Me and Nick getting lost. Are you an LZMFG fan? No. Welcome back to the video. It's morning, and I don't know if I showed this last night, but there's an Evo 8 and a Mustang out there next to our hotel. And yeah, we just woke up. I'm on the big camera for some reason. We're gonna go get some food and then around until 2 o'clock.
Dude, that thing's sweet. Sheriff, that thing's sick.
We saw this thing last night.
The windshield bashed out of it, dude. 22 BRZ GR? Oh, that's a GR86. That's sick. Oh, what's this?
What? This or that?
This. I like the wheels on it. A Pristo?
Oh, Aristo. It's an Aristo.
Oh, duh.
A Pristo.
Pristo. It's drift car. It's not Tommy, but.
So it's like, what time is it right now? 11 o'clock. The event starts in 3 hours, and there's already traffic on the way to the racetrack.
Unreal, dude.
This is crazy. I don't even think I mentioned it in my video, but we are in the pits. Typical 240 things. We're trying to find the bleachers right now. We've literally just talked to like so many YouTubers. Kind of sick.
Yeah, but I just casually said what's up to Matt from Red's channel. That's like.
We're still kind of just walking around pits right now. It's rowdy as fuck. Yeah, just a bit. This is sick though.
We'll get up on the bleachers in a second, but we're just gonna like take
We're
it
like
all in for a
kind of
second.
one of the first people like in the pits. So.
Yeah.
I don't really know if we're supposed to be here, but we are. So.
Well,
Yo. Yeah, we gotta get it quick though, before everyone's over there. found Rudnick. We're still on the gimbal, so I didn't feel like taking it off, but. So me and Nick just got pictures with Rudnick. It's kind of hard to vlog with this thing. I'm gonna try it though. It's wild. There's a lot of people here. Yeah. Oh, wanna go there?
got that on video on the gimbal.
Alright, so we are.
Yo, Jimmy! What's up, bro?
You guys vlogging?
Yeah, what's up?
That's cool.
It's been a while. We've been here for a long time. Yeah. We've mostly just been shooting stuff. I'm sure I put the B-roll stuff in already. We met Jimmy, Rudnick, Grant, and we're trying to get the rest of the boys. But yeah, I took some pictures with them. I think we're gonna go grab some stuff to get signed. Like Nick wants to get his helmet signed, and I want someone to sign my vlog camera, so we're gonna try that now. So we just met Adam, Jimmy, and there's a chaser right there. Just chilling. And so we just met them. We're just gonna go watch some drifting, so I'm probably not gonna bring this camera because I got it signed, and if it starts raining, I really don't want it to get destroyed. And I'll just probably use my phone if we get anything cool that happens. But we're just dropping off our camera stuff right now. This event is sick. I'm so glad we came. It was definitely worth it. And yeah, hopefully we can get some water now without there being a